Today I am going to explain you what all things you had to do in the chapter India, the land of diversities. India, the land of diversity, mainly the map. What all things you had to do in the map work that I am going to explain. The first map you had to draw. The first map you had to draw is the first map you people had to draw location, the location of India. First map, it is the location of India. Now, in this, you had to stick a map, and you had to do the location of the map. It's north south and the east west direction, the topic of cancer and the related things in the first map. Now when we are talking about the second map, you had to do the physical geography of northern mountain ranges, that is Himalaya. Now the second map is all about, you had to stick an Indian map, and you had to plot the northern mountain ranges. And the next page, the next side of that page, you had to write down the descriptions. If it is not been finished, you had to attach a A4 sheet and then you had to proceed with that. That is the second map you people had to do. Now the third map you had to do. The third map you had to do is you had to stick the Indian map, and you had to do the Himalayan rivers. Only you had to do the Himalayan rivers. The third map is all about the Himalayan rivers. Now the fourth map you had to do. The fourth map you had to do is the Indian Great Plains, the northern Great Plains. You had to stick the Indian map, that you already know, the Indian map, and the northern Great Plains. On top of this map, you can see the northern Great Plains. Now the fifth map, you had to do the peninsular plateau. That we already studied, the peninsular plateau, the Deccan, the Aravalli range and other things. Now when we are going to the sixth map, you had to do the peninsular rivers. And last map for you people for the activity, the seventh map, you had to do the you people had to do the coastal plains and island. The coastal plains can be divided into two, the eastern coastal plain and the western coastal plain. And along with that, you have to note down the islands also, the Lakshadweep and Andaman and Nicobar. Once again, I will give it to you. There is around 7 maps you have to do for this land of diversity. The first map is about the location. The second map is about the northern mountain regions, Himalayas, the Shivaliks and the Himadri. Then the third map, you have to go through the Himalayan rivers. Only the Himalayan rivers you have to quote it down. The entire map should be there. You people are not supposed to draw the map. Because of the pandemic, if you are not able to get the maps, you can draw it exact. Now, this is the third map, the Himalayan rivers. Now, the fourth map is Northern Great Plains. On top of the Northern Great Plains, which composed of Bihar, UP, Bengal, etc. You had to do it. And the fifth map is peninsular plateau. Peninsular plateau. That is, the mountains is there, the Chotanagpur plateau is there, the Deccan plateau is there. That all things you have to make it in your map. And the sixth map is the peninsular rivers. You had to do only the peninsular rivers: Mahanadi, Krishna, Godavari, Kaveri, Tapi, and the Narmada. And the last map you have to do is the seventh one, the coastal plains and islands. The eastern coastal plain and the western coastal plain, and the two islands. This is all about your map for this chapter. Till that we already discussed, and the one side you people had to do in a colorfully you had to draw the map, and the other side you had to do the necessary information, the characteristics, you had to do it. This is all for you today. Thank you.